guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today I want to talk about this Arab, as you have already seen the title and the thumbnail. This Arab state work, this Arab state job for immigrants from Africa. Sorry, I just finished eating or something. Immigrants from Africa. I'm a Sierra Leonean, and there have been lots of Sierra Leoneans that have been affected. With the picture you are seeing right now, this lady is from Sierra Leone. The audio also says she's from Sierra Leone. She's 21. The madam called her fellow Sierra Leoneans to come pick her up, that she will give them money to look after her. I've seen so many cases, I've seen so many audios, so many videos of people from my country. I'm not talking about other countries, I'm talking about Sierra Leone. How our sisters are leaving Sierra Leone, going to this Arab state, being it Kuwait, Kurdistan, Libya, all these Arab countries, to go be house helps. And it's maltreatment, the slavery, the modern slavery they are going through. Slavery has been abolished thousands of years ago, but it seems like it's now coming back. It's like it's coming back in this form of going to be a house help. Sometimes I'm making this video right now, someone will see this video and will say, don't try to discourage people from traveling. I made a video the other time talking about coming to France and what you should expect. There was someone that said maybe I want to discourage them from traveling. I'm not discouraging anyone from traveling overseas. I know things are hard. Sierra Leone is not in a very good state right now. The economy is in mess. There like no jobs are going on. Even the ones with job, they can't even get their salary at the ending of the month. Suffering is going on. They say they are free education, nothing like that is going on. So the only option for Sierra Leoneans right now is to join the trend of migration. Being it wherever, as long as they will assure them that they are going to leave the shores of Sierra Leone, they will jump at that opportunity. That is to show you guys how bad the country's finances and how bad the country is right now. And then there have been some audios. I'm making this video because of the audio I received. Someone was saying the government has a program for 100 Sierra Leoneans to go and work. You work and get your money completely. This is the same government that has not helped our sisters in their cries for help in Kuwait. This is the same government that has refused to give people that have, people that have left Kuwait, all these Arab states, to go to Sierra Leone. There is some money, I don't know, that it's been assigned to help them to start over their life all over again due to in connection of Amnesty International. Those money were not given to them. The last thing I heard was that they gave them, I don't know if it's 50,000 euros or so when they get to Sierra Leone, when the money is more than that. This is the same government that they are saying government has program for Sierra Leoneans to go and work in Arab countries. I'm not here to discourage you to travel. Sierra Leoneans, we have that mindset. They will see something very bad, they will not even care, they will still want to go. That's the same thing that was happening also when this Italy, Germany, and France program was up. People going through that water lane, going through the boats, passing through water to come to Europe. I come to France through plane. I did not pass through water. I can't even think about it. We have so many lives that were lost in that movement. Now the new trend is this Kuwait, this Libya or Kurdistan, all these Arab countries. They treat them more than even slaves. Some don't have food to eat while they are staying at their madam's house. Like if they are staying with they're staying with their masters, like the people they are working for. The ones that are doing a little bit well are the ones that are not staying inside the house. They rent an apartment for themselves, then they'll just go and work and then go back to their places. The ones that are living with their madams and misters, they are suffering like hell. There is nothing like freedom of movement. You can only go out when your madam wants to take you out. What kind of a slavery is that? To eat, you can only eat if they give you food. Even if you are the one that prepared that food, you will have to wait for them to finish eating, then they will dish whatever they want to dish out for you. And yet still, our sisters are still fighting to go to these places. I'm not discouraging someone not to travel, but I'm just letting you guys know what you are going to meet. And before you travel, make sure you have enough evidence, you know, things that are going to keep you up, that are not going to make you suffer. All these agents, they are all, you know, lies, deceit. They'll tell you all the good things you want to hear. They know what you want to hear. When you go, that your madam is a very nice woman, him and the husband, their kids, you will not do anything, you will just go, you will just do a little job in the morning. Those are all lies. You will not have enough time to sleep, to rest, you know, to have that physical and mental stability. To be able to think well and act well and do things right, because your mind is so crowded that you can't even focus on one thing. There are so many videos, I'm not going to add them because of their, you know, how the graphic content. YouTube will take my video down. Because if you see some videos of people suffering in Kuwait and all these Arab countries working as house help, if you listen to some audios, the cries, there was also one that she's a Sierra Leonean also. She has been paying for her card. She has been sick. The agency is yet to help her to go back to Sierra Leone. And to the Sierra Leone government, you are not doing like nothing is going on in Sierra Leone. But please, please help our sisters and our brothers to go back home. Make ways for them. The money is there. Stop enriching yourself. And your ministers also. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, what are you doing? The audios are going around, the videos are passing by. You will not say you will not see them. Or your relatives will not see them and show them to you. People are suffering. Our sisters are dying. In this Arab state working as house help. And you that are in Sierra Leone, I know even some of you are see this video, and I will say, I'm not care. But they are both looking in the eye and you're not first of all not to quit at the France. No, just make something very clear. Let me switch over to Creole. Una know the land, una they see all the things the way they happen. People they die, like left and right. People they sick. Look this picture why they put right now back alone for the second time. This lady they sick. Look where you don't fever. What I'm back be the back when they send a salon. If it's all done better. Because they send her from up building, castle and can down with acid. In go salon now, yeah, you know they say again. Because the injury affects but all thing the lock. In skin, well. And not gonna say again for go do. And when you go salon now for go to no more they will take care of her. But I wonder if you get married, go say, okay, this man so that looking at this is supposed to get good at that married. And not go possible. When they run, when they see program, at the right now they say they're not on a salon program. They can no longer make passports. Program they can no longer make passports. No one for make passports so no more. Try for no. Who say they go? Me, if you see program, this program you will see. Now for go France. I go tell you say take a more. And the program tell you for say you can France directly. I go tell you say no Rick Sambako. You never can tell. So I'm go say I go make post you go to this country, come on this other country, this other country they can France. I don't read the program then they back. The one that no back when they waste time for that Cyprus college. Not a scholarship 100%, so they send 50%. Now they pay every year. They pay rent. Yes, they pay thing for they eat. What do you know about scholarship? In the be 100%, not only 100% free education, they're going to give back allowance every month and provide for you side for sleep. And that mean about scholarship, but this side for scholarship, we don't can people that get bought the helper. One I reach Cyprus or commodity God accounting difficult to. So man go say, that just reach your number, I'll go friend Vincent, switch God aside. In Ado for let you move, commander go under. Right at the system within this Europe angle, they don't tie to the COVID-19 now. There are still some cases the way Boku now. The economy now where they go down use, especially this COVID there. Europe countries they suffer a lot due to this COVID. Job no day. And so no more everything just go slow. Businesses they close down due to the COVID restriction there. Don't forget past some of people inside. Some at restaurant again, they close down. Some at bar or club again, close down. Now finances they get affected so. Some at the top was say, I me what me auntie tell me say then talk say because COVID don't kill but people overseas people want more people for go take their job them. Saloma de la yo. Saloma de la yo. They are big anybody to that so that's not lie the lie. Who they not so? Where they there? Unaga job to still Lala Pinta they apply for job online every day. Then now you wait was a salon they go pull kanji job for the one they don't die during COVID. That is in a lie. Now people know but say they find job every day. Every day job application you doing acts forget. Yeah big. I don't jump from English to Creole for I will explain and relate. Let the layman understand what they try for say. When I no go jump this program here, now government program. What am I they make the audio record punish and then they talk say you don't go through the program, you work in contract, 3-year contract, and get money, come back salon. They like now. If your contract be so good, why make you not go back? You not go back with don't go to salon. Then they can't compel you now. Let them come make passport so program that they come. The one they don't die then I oversee you to COVID. Then the people people can't get a job. I know they laugh now. But big, when I take a small. But also now they believe well then I show the friend job or me like me so the friend job bad one. And the friend job bad one because the kind money I want. And able get herself. The kind that say we're gonna make guys not funny. The person not go fully you dey salon, you get small education where you go and find. If you see program like I talk about, if you see program for Europe, see program for America, you know say na two program, not to the life agents demo. You know say na short program na for taker. Because at least they suffer na inside jeep than they suffer on top bicycle. Because suffer now na house than they suffer na salon. But you see that Arab country, una be careful. Some man go talk say get good madam. Yes. But out of 100 and 99% they're not good though. So not go jump on a plane for go. You don't know if you go fall inside that 1% or that 99%. No it's time. If you get small to where they go on, go they do a small. If na business they do, go the manager. Education you get right now, the manager small, the manager small they go before. No go jump na plane. Say they can't travel. You go Arab country, you go be house help. We be ourselves, they will give you money, they will spend by you. You madam will let you, they take care all kind light so and they pack and powder. Make sure you know say na sure before you jump plane no. And risky. You because say maybe na France so sad so. As well my if you don't get post in France, begin go Facebook. If you know anybody where they get connection, where they leave France. Because even if you come, at times you go don't seek asylum for let get place for let you live. It go be very hard. At times they give place this place till tomorrow and police and you and that they place now like every day every month so they change you. At times you call na phone say for let get place now they will give place. If you not get post away sabi they go lodge you. Who say you go sleep that night sleep? Pass na street so get people sleep na street where they be like small tents there. All everyone can live. If anyone can live, and for taker. But if you want better, maybe say you know 1 or 2 people you know say if you call you know get apartment, if you call you know give self for sleep that particular day, you get cost where the whole in 9 palo. Most of the salon man they na so they say can. Then bado. For you go lodge you, they do a more. They go be telling for say the assistant social they can visit them. And they can check them place. Not a lot of in this country. So be careful. La post where they France, where they give big talk. Be careful. So you can look at yourself, not get for sleep on us. So say catch you. If you catch me, so say catch me. So say no get my lodge you back home. Be careful, be wise, make sure so you know exactly, you don't program yourself say, well, I can't, if I not go for sleep, if I get this me post here, I will go lodge me until I get back on top me foot, until they give me place. Say if finally get paper and I will go get comfortable place, or if Monday I see the process now, you rent yours. Me another that process so you say this one against rent, na pay the parents. But come on, where they na government house, you need to lodge person because they can't attend it and not even call themselves say they come. So but come on, hey, me I don't can put me on. Me program they go fine. If you see me place, can no more sound, not a problem, I go lodge you. You need to lodge you. Some man at hotel them go give you. Some man at Kadai them go give you. I go post this video na ya. If you get post where they plan to go Arab, send this video to her. Then say Fiegele and say Flan. But come over in one. For how you go continue for day now, we not go for streets. That's what command for streets too. But command they one mad. Because of the procedure we had. That they make it very hard because of the finances them. So they spend too much on asylum seekers the way they can. Because anything now so they don't so as long as they inside the system, government they give money for giving a compulsory. So because of that, they make it for like even get Schengen visa for country France or any Europe country. It's very hard. So be careful. When God you term rich, it is travel cancer full. Me program me pass a month here. But God in term be already falling in rich. I cancer full. All the other year they will be the waste. All the other money they will be the waste. You God no be mark for me. God no mark for me. Do I God mark for me? Despite Abigail Bele, God make a travel ma. So patience, yeah? Okay. Subscribe.